If just like me, you too are not aware of the various alternatives that you can use during your periods, please stay with me till the end of the video because you will be surprised that there are so many alternatives to sanitary napkins. You can consult your gynec or your respective family doctor before considering any of these alternatives. The go-to alternative that we use is the sanitary napkins. In this video, I will be talking to you about options or alternatives other than the sanitary napkins. These are some of the sanitary napkins that we use on a daily basis. These are the reusable pads that I have used. You have these buttons in the front and you need to open it up. It's just like a normal sanitary napkin, but they are of a more eco-friendly option. The next option are period panties. Yeah, you heard it right. There are specific undergarments made for periods. So this is basically like a regular innerwear or an underwear of yours, wherein the lower portion is a thick portion and it extends from the front to the back. So during your periods, you can wear it without a pad. You just have to wear your undergarment and you are good to go. Don't worry, it doesn't look like a diaper, it looks just like a regular underwear. The next alternative is the menstrual cup. Like you can see, they can be used for the next 5 years. I will be making a video on my experience of using this. It is just the beginning. I have just purchased it. Another alternative is the tampons. This is something that I have not used, but my friend says that she has a very good experience with it. If after trying all of the above alternatives you think you are comfortable with sanitary pads, I would suggest you to please switch to biodegradable sanitary napkins. These are a few options that I have put up for you. You can find other brands on the internet as well. Panty liner is an option wherein you can use this on days when you're unsure or wherein you feel like maybe I might get my chums today, or on days when you know you have to travel a lot and you need to maintain a vaginal hygiene. Mind you, these are not an option to be used during a menstrual cycle. These are very tiny and thin and just fit the size of your palm. These can be used on days when you know your flow is going to be just few drops and nothing more than that. I have personally used the biodegradable sanitary napkins and the reusable pads. Also, I am trying menstrual cups. I have tried to link most of the products in the description. So please don't forget to check the description if you want to consider any of these alternatives. So I hope that you are as much as surprised as how I was when I came to know about the multiple options that we have. And I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe.